Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. So when I got to know that his higher self is staying with me since my childhood, because I started experiencing, this masculine spirit presence during my childhood itself. So that I've shared in my previous videos, in the beginning of the videos. So and it was not that his higher self started staying with me only when I met him. No, it was not that case. So and I also got to know that my higher self also stays with this twin flame. So when I got to know that my higher self stays with this twin flame, and then I started doing a lot of experiments, and it actually became fun for me, because I was actually having a lot of problem in digesting that telepathy is so strong between me and this person. So just to see that this is really true, that whatsoever I was telling to myself, and this twin flame was doing it exactly like through telepathy. So that was such a shocking thing for me. So I kept on experimenting that. So one thought came in my mind when I got to know that I am already connected to my higher self, and my higher self also stays with this person, but also his higher self stays with me. So now the question was like, as this person kept on doing magic and spells on me, which was actually a problematic thing for me. It was bothering, disturbing my energies, so because of which I was feeling a lot of anger. So I asked a higher self of this twin flame, why don't you get merged with his 3D self? So why did I ask this question? Because I thought maybe if this higher self gets merged with his 3D self, he will surely stop doing those, those magics and spells on me, because higher self is a pure divine self and it will never do anything against me. So I knew that truth, and that was the reason I asked this question, why don't you get merged with his 3D self? So higher self of twin flame said that it is not possible, because they cannot see, higher self cannot get connected to this 3D self without their efforts. So there are certain criterias that a 3D person should be pure, should have good character and good intentions. Another thing, that person should his or her inner child should be active. In that scenario only higher self gets connected to that person. But with this person, these things were opposite, that he is not a good character person, he is always been into multiple relationships, he is always cheating in relationships, also having selfish, egoistic person, jealousy towards other success and other beauty, and other lot of things, an egoistic person, and he always has a bad intentions for me. That's what I've seen. So that's what his higher self said, as this person is completely opposite. That's why his higher self cannot get merged with his 3D self, and that is not allowed as per the divine law. So I got this clarity, and then I started thinking about my own self. I have always been connected to my higher self, and to my this intuition, and I can always hear other spirit guides, and I can see through people, and I can also talk to spirits, so many other things when it comes about spirituality. So now then a question came in my mind, that I never had to do never had to make any sort of efforts to connect with my higher self or with my intuition. I am connected to all self of mine effortlessly. So there were several reasons that I have been connected to all self of mine. One, that my inner child has always been activated. Why? Because when I was staying with my family, there it was just a pressure of marriage. Otherwise, I have been happiest child in my family, because I always loved to decorate my house. So everybody was happy by seeing such neat and clean decorated house. People used to appreciate a lot. So that actually makes me happy. So that was one thing where I have always been involved, through which thing through that thing my inner child was always active. Another thing, I have always been surrounded by animals. So we always had pets at our home, but also I have always been taking care of street animals. And when I came out from that karmic family, I started staying alone. Immediately I started investing my time on my creativity. So initially, after coming from home, like after 7 or 8 months, I immediately involved myself into swimming, and then dancing, and then several other sort of activities which used to make me happy. And I always used to go alone for watching movie on theater, and then going for a shopping, and then having coffee alone in a restaurant. So I have always been traveling. So these things were always making me my inner child active, and I have always been feeling happy from inside. And during my childhood, when I used to see kids of my own age, I have seen them extremely selfish. So there I used to question, how come, that these people are of my age and they are so selfish, so mean, so evil and egoistic, but I do not have all these things. But then as it was a choice of not to be like them, it was a complete choice based decision, so I knew I would never become like them. So I used to look those differences between me and other kids, during my childhood, that I am not a selfish person, I don't have ego, and then also several other things, which I started comparing, that these people are so selfish by, since their childhood, and I was also a kid. So it was like, I will never become like them, and wherein there were so many opportunities, so many situations wherein I was thrown in painful situations that, so I could have become like them, but no, this was a complete decision that I will never become such kind of people. So that was the reason that I have always been effortlessly connected to my higher self and several other self of mine. So during childhood, I had, when I came in divine communication, I had this question: I don't have ego, I'm not selfish, and I don't even have jealousy, because I used to see and experience and go through a lot of jealousy through other females, probably during my school days and tuition times. So I used to question. I thought I can ask for this thing from divine, but why should I ask this? This is a negative thing, and I'll be surely given if I ask for it. So I said, no, this I should not ask from divine. So this thought came in my mind when I came in divine communication during my childhood itself. So as I started growing in my life, and there I realized, I came in confirmation, acceptance, that I don't have ego, but then I have high self respect. It's on extreme level. So I do not insult people upfrontly, I do not bother anyone, but if you have done that, I would not spare you. I will make sure that. So there have been several situations during my office, when I was working actually. So there was a female who was my manager, and out of ego and jealousy, she raised a question on my work. So as I have a spiritual gift of with the speed thing, that people who finishes their work in maybe 24 hours, I got a capacity or a capability to finish that work in 1 hour. So when I started doing the same thing, her ego was hurting, and she said that other people will have to work like me, because there were a lot of time, but they wanted to be always into gossiping and chit chatting and saying shit about other females and other people. So I have never been like that. I always kept myself away from gossip. So when she raised question on my work, I insulted her in front of the entire department, and she was sitting on her by folding her hands, that forgive me. So I think that was such a horrible situation for a person. Being a manager was requesting me to forgive her. So I insulted her then and there, and a lot of people saw. See, I understand, first of all, if you have such doubt or question, you could have asked politely, you could have checked, you could have done your work whether it's genuine or not, but you immediately asked and raised a question, that too in front of a lot of people. So that was the reason that I had to insult her in front of the department. So I have always been clear that I don't have ego and these jealousy and other thing, and I always used to forgive people easily, wherein divine was not ready to forgive them, when other humans are not ready to forgive them. So I had my own reasons. So these were the reasons that my higher self has always been connected to me, and I am connected to my intuition highly. So since my childhood, I have always been in helping others, and I did not expect anything. I do not expect anything from anyone, even though when I have gone out of the way to help that person. And after my awakening, when I started looking at my mistakes, wherein I was feeling ashamed of myself, for helping for those people. They did not deserve my help, and I actually risked my life several times. So when somebody's 3D self is complete pure self, their higher self, their intuition remain connected. That was the reason I never had to do anything extra to stay connected to my intuition or my higher self. And there were other self which I'll talk about in other video. So that was also that remained connected to me. So now the question is, if you are a twin flame, and what kind of a human you are, that very well. You don't have to tell others, and I don't have to tell you what kind of a person you are. You know yourself better than anyone. While taking these sessions of these twin flames, when I used to take sessions, I do not take it now, I have seen these people have jealousy and ego. I'm talking about especially about females, feminines. So that those are the reasons that they're not connected to their higher self and their intuition. So as I'm not connected to all the twin flames on planet, I'm sure you know yourself better. I'm just sharing my experience, what I experienced during the session, that these people do have ego and jealousy. So I knew I am such a different person. Even I cannot compare myself with other twin flames because I have been a different person. So when the higher self of this twin flame denied that he can never get merged with this twin flame's 3D self, because he has a he's always into multiple relationships and having bad intention towards others and always jealous of others' success, especially an egoistic person and selfish, mean. So this is not possible. So now there one thing got clear to me, that when twin flame soul merging happens, first of all, the soul merging will happen on an individual level. So if I talk about myself, I never had to look for those things that I had to do merging and all. It has always been connected to me since my childhood, that I have been connected to my higher self and my intuition. So on my level, nothing was required. But if I talk about this twin flame level, so until first of all he will have to get merged with his 3D self and higher self, which is not going to happen. That was the reason that reunion cannot happen. So first DF has to be in all the alignment, and then this twin flame. And twin flame, if whether you're masculine or feminine, they will only get merged when they are having good character, good intentions, not a selfish person, not a egoistic person. So I remember the conversation when Divine denied that this twin flame will not go through awakening, will not go through spiritual awakening. I have already shared a video on that. You can go ahead and listen to that again. So Divine denied, and then his higher self denied that this merging is not possible, and they both gave me the reasons. So there I understood it is not possible, and I did not even want that. So but just needed that clarity, because I was actually bothered a lot because of his spells and magic. So you will see and hear a lot of people saying that this twin flame's higher self is getting merged with his 3D self. So please understand, if you know the character of that person, intentions of that person, if he's a egoistic, selfish person and been on multiple relationships, that will never happen. But then people are living in false hope, that this happens and that happened. I have already shared a video on false hope. You can please go ahead and listen to that again. So most of the twin flames are actually living in false hope, and that is the reason they are wasting their lot of time and energies. And I was never part of false hope, and I've never been working from this 3D matrix. So I hope you understand that if somebody is pure, has never been selfish, has never been egoistic, so you are then only can connect it to your higher self and other self. And when I met this person, this twin flame in 2011, that time all of a sudden my inner child has always been active, but after meeting him it actually became super active. And I also see that his this inner child also became super active that time. But when I met him after in 2019, after several years, I saw that his inner child was completely dead. So from July 2019 till I think February end or before awakening, I was not happy because because of that back-to-back situations, back-to-back painful situation, and that friend's incident. I was actually all the time crying, but that doesn't mean that my inner child was dead. No, it was always active. But then immediately after my spiritual awakening, my inner child was super active. Why? Because I could see a lot of other realms, other beings who are so beautiful, so great. And again I could also see that dark entities also, but then that was not that concerned. But then I was able to see and experience a lot of amazing, beautiful things because of spiritual awakening. So I was already happy after my awakening. So after awakening, Divine did a lot of activations within myself, and also because of my inner work, a lot of activations were happening. So because of which I used to dance a lot during night time when I was working. So when I had less work, I used to play music and I used to dance. So what was happening, this twin flame was always awake during night, but kept on pretending that he's sleeping because all the lights were switched off. So at times I saw that he was picking up his call as his girlfriend was calling midnight 2 or 3 a.m. And then after a few months I got to know that he's only pretending that he's sleeping, he's not sleeping. So he used to observe me all the time and watch me that I'm so happy. So he used to fake that he's also happy, kept on showing his body, oh yeah, he's happy by doing gymming and all. But no, he was not. I can always see when somebody's inner child is active or dead. So he was only pretending, because when we were working together, he could not stay without talking to me. So at times I used to, do not talk to him and pretend to be silent, that I'm not ready to talk to you. So he always used to do leg pulling and used to chase me, that why are you not talking, why are you not laughing. So after meeting, in 2019, then I saw that many times he tried, faking in front of me that he's happy from inside, but no, he was not. And the reason was that, I also saw this thing in my life in several people, that not everybody can handle success, so that has happened a case with him, that when he got promoted in other department wherein there were a lot of females, he had to give some sort of, teaching and, information. So there he started actually getting attention from several people. So when I met him, till that time he was not getting attention from a lot of people, and but then when he got promoted in that department, there he started getting attention. So he could not handle that, and since then, I started hearing from multiple people that he changes, females like he changes his daily clothes. So there he was, like a lot of people talk that he's a playboy, and that's what he does, all these shittiest things in the office. So when he started getting into multiple relationships, even on extreme level, when he could not handle that attention, then you were getting involved into wrong things, and that is the reason that you can never stay connected to your inner child, and there his inner child actually became dead. So understand, if somebody is pretending to be happy from outside, there are a lot of people who are faking their life on social media, and that's what people believe actually. So I saw this person actually lives a complete fake life on social media. From inside he's unhappy, and his inner child is dead, but then yes, he kept on pretending that yeah, he's happy. But the best part was that I was staying there in front of his house, so I could see his real self. No, he's only faking that thing, because I can always see when somebody's inner child is active or dead. So I hope the soul merging concept is clear, that if you are a DF and that other person is your this who you call twin flame, so first you will stay connected to your higher self, and then that person will stay connected to his higher self only if that person has a good character, is not egoistic or selfish, and then reunion happens. So in my case, it was very clear that this reunion cannot happen, and I did not even want that. And when you hear from other people that soul merging is possible in such case wherein a person has been in or is into multiple relationships, who cheats on people and selfish and having bad intentions, and can still be higher self merged with that person, no, it is not possible. There will be people telling you fake things just to keep you stuck on this journey, and you may hear that they are selling you some sort of meditations or some other shittiest thing through which it is possible. No, it is not possible. Always remember false hope. Always go ahead and listen that spiritual awakening. When I ask divine, will this person go through spiritual awakening? So understand things on individual level. There is nothing that you can change a wrong person into right person. It is not possible. So if you're trying to do that unnecessary, you are wasting your time and energy. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.